Wouldn't it be nice if we could eat entrails? That doesn't work. I need to stop. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Rawr, it's Aisha, where we make cruelty-free food and we're making it fashionable. Today I have a munchies from the shows, which we've already discussed is a horrible name. But Santa Clarita Diet is coming out with their 4th season, I believe. If you haven't seen the Santa Clarita Diet, it's pretty much zombies in suburbia kind of deal. It's a very interesting concept. Drew Barrymore is the zombie. I wanted to make some zombie food to celebrate the new season coming out. So I'm going to be making intestines. I've seen these on Pinterest. They pretty much look like entrails. As unappetizing as that sounds. But I'm going to fill it with a bacon buffalo dip kind of deal, and it's going to be really tasty. Tasty. This is going to be a pretty quick recipe, which is going to be nice. We only need a few ingredients. We're a bit far off from Halloween, but these would also be great for a Halloween party or something. Let's get a batch of these intestines ready. It sounds so weird. The vegan cannibalist. Oh, and that's not a word. Vegan cannibal. So let's get started with the dip. You're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese, and this is perfect. Ooh. I'm using the Trader Joe's brand, so we'll see how that turns out. I've never used real cream cheese before. It smells exactly like cream cheese, so I don't think we can go wrong with this. It's raining today, so I have my big chunky sweater on and just chilling, making some intestines. So you want 2 cups of sour cream. So I have some vegan sour cream here. I think I'm just going to do 1 container. And then I have some left over that I didn't finish. Because this stuff like never expires. It takes like a year to expire. I got this like 2 months ago and it's still good until December. Okay. Got that sour cream. Hasn't been a great day for me so far. I had $40 stolen from me today. So has not been a good day so far. Let's add the rest of this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar. And I have some dye today, nothing fancy, no follow your heart today. Usually this comes with 2 cups, so I'm going to leave about half a cup in there and that should be enough. Oops, it's going everywhere. I could do a little bit more. There we go. Looking cheesy. So anyway, I guess it's kind of my fault the money got stolen because I was checking out at Rayleigh's with the self-checkout and I pulled out 40 bucks. Totally forgot I pulled out 40 bucks right after I freaking did it and went to the parking lot, got in my car, left the parking lot, realized I forgot the cash, came right back, and some woman already stole it. And the people working there, they're like, yeah, we know what she looks like and everything. And the one guy tried to go out and like get the cash back from her. And she was smart enough to pull out $40 when she was shopping, so it wouldn't look weird that she took $40. Because I guess she asked someone about the $40 and then she just took it. It was weird. But yeah, they couldn't really do anything for me, so I hope that woman freaking enjoys that fucking $40. Sorry guys, just on a different note, I cut up 2, ooh, we're going everywhere, like stalks of green onion, and then I chopped up 1 jalapeno. So we're gonna add that now to the mixture. I'm also crisping up some vegan bacon right now. I'm using a different brand today because I went to the butcher's son yesterday and they use this bacon and they actually sell it in their little store. And it's freaking delicious, you guys. You need to try this brand. Crisp these up a little bit. I used 4 strips, but their strips are kind of thick. So it's more equivalent to with other brands. It's probably like 5 or 6 strips with other brands because it's just a clunky 4. So cut them up bacon, let's add that. all mixed up there and looking good. So we're gonna add some hot sauce now. And you can use Red's Hot. I really like this Louisiana brand, or I guess it's called Crystal. The Crystal brand. It's usually a lot cheaper, but it has a nice authentic flavor that I like. Okay, I'm gonna add some, as much as you want of that, so you know I like spice, so I'm gonna add a good amount. I need some more hot sauce. Any like cayenne-based hot sauce will do. You could still use some more hot sauce for me. But really the cream cheese and the sour cream really like tone everything down. So if you wanted that flavor to shine through, you have to add a little extra. Let's get the oven preheated to 375. So we're gonna take puff pastry. I believe we're gonna be using both sheets. Unfold these. Oop. Okay, so you see how they kind of split off into thirds? We're gonna just cut down where the seam is. Oop. Now we're gonna assemble so all these sheets are kind of connected together like a huge snake. So just have to kind of push them together. Sometimes you do need a little bit of liquid. I might need some liquid because they're not sticking the way I want. Some water, so just dip your finger in along the seam. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm gonna just wet this part up here. And then connect it like so. So it's all stuck together. We're just gonna do that for all of them. So we're just gonna add the filling in the middle, just a little bit so we'll be able to close it. There's so much bacon in this, it looks so good. And after all the cheese melts, it's gonna be so nice. So nice. Wouldn't it be nice if we could eat entrails? That doesn't work. I need to stop. Now let's close this. You're probably gonna have to wet the edges again to get them to stay closed. Just gotta pinch them closed. We did it, you guys! Our intestines are done. I'm really scared to pick this up. Ugh. Okay, so you're gonna want a baking sheet. I'm afraid to pick this up. How should I do this? How about I just do a little piece at a time? Like, we'll just make sure the seam part is down. Just do this slowly. Oh no! This looks really freaking cool already though, the way it's going in. Got the buffalo bacon dip everywhere. It's okay. Almost in, you guys. You gotta stay together. Oh yeah, we did it. Now flip your ass over. Oh my god, that looks so cool. I'm so excited. Let's see. Ugh. Oh, it's going everywhere. It looks so cool already. Like without the food coloring, it looks legit. That looks really cool. I'm excited, you guys. We just have to add the food coloring now. The idea is to have mostly red, but I'm gonna add a little bit of blue just to make sure there's like it has that blood color to it. So just add a little bit of blue, and it looks pretty bloody. I mean, that looks like straight up blood, does it not? I'm just gonna take the blood, because I got like a pretty red one. Mix it with that. Okay, so I'm just gonna paint this. That was pretty fun. I don't usually get to paint my food, so I need to do more stuff like this. If you have any suggestions of what you want me to make, definitely leave a comment down below. because I could use all the help I can freaking get sometimes coming up with ideas. Like, I have a lot of ideas, but at the same time, like, I think they're cool, but I don't know if everyone else is gonna think they're cool. So definitely help me out. Oh, this is for icing too, so we'll see how it goes. This shouldn't be too sweet. I think this turned out freaking sick, you guys. Like, it looks really cool. Like, how freaking sick does that look? That looks really freaking cool. Let's put it in the oven and see how it turns out. And here's the finished product. It looks really freaking sick. Okay, it's cooled down enough. I think I can try to eat it. But this turned out so cool. Like, I like horror stuff and like scary stuff. So this is awesome for me. This is so amazing. It looks so cool. Okay, let's taste it. It looks like it got really nice and cheesy though. Look at all that cheese. Let's turn on the light so we can look at this properly. Bam! Yeah, it looks so cool. Kind of reminds me of kind of like a buffalo hot pocket or something. This is pretty tasty. There's a lot of bacon in it too. This is such a cool idea. I definitely want to try with the spinach and artichoke dip next. So this is really nice. So much cheese. Like, it has the right amount of like, has that cool factor, but it's not too gross looking. Like, I could still eat this and not be like, oh, like you're gonna get queasy or something. Thank you for joining me today, guys. If you liked what you saw, please press that like button and maybe that subscribe button if you're feeling that too. Oh, and if you're feeling it, you could also touch that little notification bell. I'm gonna start uploading every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.